Hey, we're back everyone. So, as you can see behind me, not a fishing video today. We are going to be looking at the fish tanks. And just give you a little update. It's been a few months since the last one, and a lot has happened. Let's get into it. So here we have the infamous 50 gallon, and there is only one new change in here. You might see them right now. There they are, the nice little bluegills. I put some bluegills in here. I got these out one of the private ponds I go to, and I figured they'd do good in here. And they have been living very healthily for, I'd say, maybe a couple weeks, 3 or 4 weeks. And Billy has actually become like super docile. Like he used to bite him at first, obviously, just because he like feels the motion in front of him. But these guys are getting along with him. See, he thinks I'm gonna feed him right now. But yeah, these bluegill are doing really well. They didn't eat for about a week, but now I just feed them all bloodworms. And what's funny is since I feed the bloodworms every day for the bluegills, Billy will come up and also eat. And he really hasn't picked off any more of these goldfish. These goldfish have just been living in here. I still got 2 rosy reds in there. These are those 2 guys right there. And then yeah, just a couple of these goldfish. I don't really know what the count is. Oh, here's our little algae eater too that I got in here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this tank. I mean, like, it's really cool to see these guys interacting like that. Obviously now they just want food, but still, it's just cool to see them really in a peaceful tank like community tank, because this guy was a pig, man. He would eat every fish. It's crazy. So yeah, the 50 gallon is doing exceptional. Let's move on to the 30. Not too much for this tank. If you can see here, I'm pretty sure my cousin ended up giving me this plant right here, which I'm pretty sure is a hydrilla. And that's where all these little snails came from. There's a couple dozen in here. There's a lot of them. They usually just sit on that, or they go on the walls of the tank. You can see them sometimes. Like, you can see there's some up there. A lot of algae on this tank, but I really don't even do water changes, and this tank has just been thriving for who knows how long. I recently got my dinosaur lychee, got my tiger barbs. I think there's still 10 in there. And then I got 4 algae eaters. They're somewhere around here. And then there's the red-tailed shark. Oh, he's right here. All doing super well. But what's cool about this hydrilla is I could see why it's invasive. It grows super fast. I had this thing in here for maybe 2 months, and it has grown so much. At the beginning, it was maybe a foot or so long. Now it's multiple feet long. I'm not gonna take it out, but this thing is, you can just see how much it's wrapping around the tank. It's really cool to see. But yeah, that is the tank. So yeah, you know, not too many fishing videos recently. I'm really slacking on that, just with school and everything. But you know, I'm gonna get back into it. I'm trying to think of better ideas of what to do for videos, because I don't want the generic, you know, fishing video. I want something different. So I just been trying to figure that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, nice little update for the fish tanks and see what's going on around the channel. But yeah, hopefully get some fishing videos to come in the future. Ice fishing is coming up the next couple months. It is the fall bite right now, but it is a little warm. So we're gonna wait until that temperature drops just a little more, until those fish start biting a lot. So we'll see. Anyways, thank you for watching. Drop a like if you like. Drop a little comment. I'll see you in the next one.